Honestly, there's no greater satisfaction than making a video, posting it, seeing the views and being like, I did it. Like I did it. Like people are connecting with this thing that I made, and there's no better feeling.
There's no question of who I am. I can just let the walls down on Snapchat. Everything just comes so naturally.
Snapchat is a space where it just didn't feel like I had to edit or I didn't have to force anything. It just adds confidence because you're finding out who you really are.
The one thing that has stayed so consistent in my life is that drive to create. Any avenue that it leads me down where I can still be myself creating, that is where I want to be.
I think Snapchat just breeds a completely different bond between creator and viewer. I don't really have to hide any aspects of myself. People are there to see you, whereas all the other platforms, they're maybe just scrolling and they happen to see you, but they're not really there for you.
When you see Kelly on Snapchat, you are gonna get the fun, the mess ups, the mommy life. If I'm gonna be authentic, I need to go all the way. Putting up the camera and then we're rolling.
That level of connection and authenticity, I don't really put anywhere else besides Snapchat.
And people were like, wow, I would have never gotten to experience this. And I think that just made me interested in doing more crazy stuff so that I could be like, oh my goodness, let me bring people along with that experience.
People's jaws drop when I say that Snapchat is the platform that paid off my student loans.
It definitely also gives me the financial freedom to explore who I am.
I just feel like we all should be happy in what we're doing. I'm like, ooh, I got this, I got it. And I know it's not gonna be a smooth road or journey every time, but you are welcome to be you.
When I can form that deep connection with somebody, I cherish it.
Whatever it is that you wanted to do when you were 5, it's probably what you're supposed to do.
If I could choose anything today, I'm just gonna choose happiness.